I found these little Mexican bowls at CVS for 79 cents. I originally was going to use them for food purposes, but the designer in me took over. I used my Rust-o-leum gold paint and gave each bowl one good spray coat. Next, I sealed it with clear coat spray paint. After it dried, I used my glue gun to attach two of the bowls to give it a dome look. If you want a more sturdier hold, I would suggest that you use E6000 or a strong adhesive glue. I use glitter glue on the legs, then use loose glue on top of that to give it more of a finished look. I inserted foam inside the open bowl on top, and next I began to create my arrangement. I used glitter glue and loose glue on top of the foam to give it a little bit of a sparkle effect. Then a strip of bling wrap to cover and conceal the seam. And guys, this is how it turned out. It actually turned out pretty cool, I think. And who would have ever guessed that these were 79 cents dinner bowls? Totally creative. Thanks guys for watching. I truly appreciate each and every one of you. Now don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And stay tuned. I have more videos to come. Talk to you soon. Bye.